Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 8.
Today, we're talking about your house or apartment.
Yes, you will learn how to describe the rooms and the furniture.
And today, I'm visiting Emma's apartment for the first time.
Yes, and I'm a little nervous
Nervous? Why?
because my apartment is not perfect.
Is it clean or messy?
Um, Maybe both.
Uh-oh.
Quick question. Is your room clean or messy right now?
Okay, let's go to Emma's apartment.
By the end of today, you will be able to talk about your home in English. You will learn words like kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living room. You will learn furniture words like table, chair, and sofa.
And you will practice saying there is and there are. Okay, Emma, I'm ready.
Please be nice.
Nice? I'm always nice.
Not always.
Okay, fine. I will be nice today. Wow, this is your apartment?
Yes, welcome.
It's quiet.
Yes, it's quiet. That's why I like it.
Nice. So, where is the living room?
This is the living room.
Oh, I see a sofa.
Yes, there's a sofa.
And there is a table, too.
Yes, there is a small table.
And wow, there are many chairs.
Yes,
Why do you have so many chairs?
because I want friends to visit.
But you only have me.
Ben.
I'm joking.
Okay, do you want to see the kitchen?
Yes, I'm hungry.
This is the kitchen.
There is a table here, too.
Yes, I eat here.
Is the kitchen clean?
Yes, it's clean.
Good.
But don't open that cabinet
Why?
because it's messy inside.
Oh, so your kitchen is clean outside and messy inside.
Exactly.
That is very human.
Thank you.
Where is the bathroom?
It's next to the kitchen.
Okay, this is the bathroom.
Yes.
It's clean.
Thank you.
Good job.
Now, do you want to see my bedroom?
Yes, but please don't be messy.
Ben.
Oh, wow.
What?
Your bedroom is messy.
I know.
There are clothes everywhere.
It's my first week here.
Okay.
But look, there's a bed. That's important.
Yes, there is a bed.
And there's a chair with clothes on it.
That chair is not a chair. That chair is a clothes mountain.
True.
So, Emma, do you rent this apartment?
Yes, I rent it.
Is it expensive?
A little expensive, but I like it.
I understand.
So, what do you think?
I think your apartment is nice. It's not perfect, but it feels like home.
Aw, that's kind.
And it's very Emma.
What does that mean?
Clean kitchen, messy bedroom.
Okay, fair.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome.
Okay, I will go now.
See you.
Take care.
Now, let's learn the key vocabulary.
Bean will repeat after us,
Word 1. Apartment.
meaning a home in a building.
Example, I live in an apartment.
Your turn. Say, I live in a, and finish.
Word 2. House.
Meaning a home usually not in a building.
Example, my parents live in a house.
Your turn. Say, I live in a house, or I live in an apartment.
Word 3. Kitchen.
Meaning the room where you cook.
Example, the kitchen is clean.
Your turn. Say, my kitchen is, and finish.
Word 4. Bathroom.
meaning the room with a toilet and shower.
Example, the bathroom is next to the kitchen.
Your turn. Say the bathroom is and finish.
Word 5. Bedroom.
Meaning the room where you sleep.
Example, my bedroom is messy.
Your turn. Say my bedroom is and finish.
Phrase 6. Living room.
Meaning the room where you relax.
Example, there's a sofa in the living room.
Your turn. Say in my living room there is and finish.
Word 7. Table.
Meaning furniture for eating or working.
Example, there's a table in the kitchen.
Your turn. Say there is a table and finish.
Word 8. Chair.
Meaning furniture you sit on.
Example, there are chairs in the living room.
Your turn. Say there is a chair or there are chairs.
Word 9. Sofa.
Meaning a big seat for relaxing.
Example, I sit on the sofa.
Your turn. Say I sit on the sofa.
Word 10. Clean.
Meaning not dirty.
Example, the bathroom is clean.
Your turn. Say it's clean.
Word 11. Messy.
Meaning not clean, not organized.
Example, my bedroom is messy.
Your turn. Say it's messy.
Word 12. Rent.
Meaning pay money every month to live there.
Example, I rent my apartment.
Your turn. Say I rent my apartment or I rent my house.
Now let's practice the grammar.
Today we use there is and there are.
Use there is for one thing. Example, there's a sofa.
Being example, there is a table.
Being, use there are for two or more things. Being, there are chairs.
Emma, example, there are 2 bedrooms.
Emma, 5 examples. Emma, number 1, there's a sofa in my living room.
Bean, number 2, there is a table in the kitchen.
Emma, number 3, there are chairs in the living room.
Bean, number 4, there is a bathroom next to the kitchen.
Emma, number 5, there are clothes in my bedroom.
Bean, yes, there are. 2 common mistakes. Bean, mistake number 1, there are a sofa. Correction, there is a sofa.
Emma, mistake number 2, there are chairs. Correction, there are chairs.
Now repeat the key sentences. We will say them 3 times. Slow, medium, neutral.
This is my apartment. This is my apartment.
This is my apartment.
This is my apartment.
This is the living room. This is the living room.
This is the living room.
This is the living room.
There is a sofa. There is a sofa.
There is a sofa.
There is a sofa.
There are many chairs. There are many chairs.
There are many chairs.
There are many chairs.
The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is clean.
The kitchen is clean.
The kitchen is clean.
The bedroom is messy. The bedroom is messy. The bedroom is messy.
The bathroom is next to the kitchen. The bathroom is next to the kitchen.
The bathroom is next to the kitchen.
The bathroom is next to the kitchen.
I rent this apartment. I rent this apartment. I rent this apartment.
Now you speak. Answer after the pause.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. What rooms are in your home?
There is a kitchen and a bathroom. Describe your kitchen. Is it clean or messy?
My kitchen is clean. Describe your bedroom. Is it clean or messy?
My bedroom is messy. What furniture is in your living room?
There is a sofa and chairs.
Do you rent your home?
Yes, I rent my apartment. Quick quiz. Answer in your head.
Question 1. Where do you cook?
Question 2. Where do you sleep?
Question 3. What do you sit on?
Question 4. Which one is correct? There is chairs or there are chairs?
Question 5. What does rent mean?
Answers.
1. Kitchen.
2. Bedroom.
3. Chair or sofa.
4. There are chairs.
5. Rent means pay money every month to live there.
Your mission today, describe your home in 5 sentences.
Record yourself and say, I live in a blank. There is a blank. There are blank. My bedroom is blank. I rent my blank.
Say it 3 times. Slow, medium, natural.
Great job today. You finished episode 8.
You can now describe your home in English.
Episode 9 will be about weather, and Ben will wear the wrong clothes.
See you.
Take care.